Team 41 was delighted to assist WildTrack on its mission to further the development of non-invasive conservation and tracking. We worked with Microsoft to deliver a mobile application intended to serve as a new launch point for WildTrack's effort to streamline field observations and recruit new citizen scientists to the cause. When we met with the WildTrack team in October, they came to us with a common problem in tech. They had a fantastic technology, but how they delivered it needed to be improved. WildTrack's AI model could track individual species using cryptic ground evidence, but to train its model needed a lot of data, and their facets of data entry were slow and poorly fitting. That's where we came in. Our brief was to create a mobile application which could record, package, and send observations of this evidence to its system so that WildTrack could refine how it engaged with its users. The core requirement was that we were to make a cross-platform mobile application, but after further speaking with the client, we outlined that it needed to be able to record, save, and upload multiple observation images and metadata. To accommodate for WildTrack's global user profile, they also outlined that the app must be available in multiple languages and include iconography in its design. To realize WildTrack's vision, we decided to make use of Flutter, SQLite, and Azure. The architecture of our application revolves around three components: the observation, which was a central tenet of our functionality, accessibility features, which allowed our app to serve the needs of WildTrack's diverse audience, and the login user system, which was not a key requirement, but we found it important to authenticate registered users of WildTrack's system. Our login functionality used WildTrack's existing sign-up and sign-in structure to authorize users and retrieve their information to pair with their observation. Users can log in with an existing WildTrack account or create a new one. The first aspect of our observation functionality is generation. To generate an observation, users fill out a three-step form. In the first part of the form, users select or capture photos on their device and fill out the associated data. Subsequently, the user then selects the animal species and records olfactory information. Finally, the location is recorded, which can be accessed manually from the local device or from image metadata. Users can save or upload their observation directly from the form. The second aspect of our observation functionality is management. Users can individually manipulate observations from a central home screen, and if they wish to, upload them individually or en masse. Accessibility was a core tenet of our application, and we devoted time to making sure the application was intuitive. We incorporated localization functionalities, which could be easily expanded upon. Some conservationists we consulted noted that while they'd like the app to be in their native language, they prefer the animals to be named under their scientific or English name, so we added that too. Included in the application is a heavy use of iconography, which is meant to assist literate users and trackers in navigating the app with limited assistance. To assist users new to WildTrack, we added a tutorial which advises users on how to correctly record and submit observations. Our use of Flutter technology also came with its complications, mainly deriving from its recency. We frequently had issues with the limited range of Flutter plugins. We encountered issues both sending observations to WildTrack's API and authorizing users with Azure due to plugin limitations. Currently, our implementation is present in a GitHub repository and is being distributed in a round of closed beta testing with our global user group. Hopefully soon, you will all be able to join WildTrack on its mission to further animal conservation on your mobile devices. So thank you very much for listening, and we hope to see you on the app.